Hi children, a very warm welcome to Narana Live class. So today in this session we are going to see an assignment 9 on understanding media. So here are a few questions. Now let us find the answers. So the first question is, in which state Khabar Lahariya newspaper is running? So the answer is Uttar Pradesh. So the first question answer is children Uttar Pradesh. Now let's take second question. Why we need to analyze the news? So why? Because children, the factual information that a news report provides is often not complete and can be one-sided, means from news report side only they will explain everything. So that is why for ourselves we have to analyze the news. So that is the answer. Okay children, so the answer is what? The factual information that a news report provides. Okay, the factual information see here, the factual information which provide news, it is often not complete, not completed and can be one-sided. So the information which is provided by the news, okay, so that factual information not complete, okay, and it should be one-sided. So that is why we have to analyze the news. Now let's take third question. Give some examples of local media. So the answer is community radio, documentary films and local newspapers like Khabar Lahariya. Okay, so third question answer is community radio, documentary films and local newspapers. So local newspapers like Khabar Lahariya. So these are three questions. Now let's take few more questions children. Now let's take fourth question. How can we say that media plays very important role in our lives? So the answer is children, so everything whatever happen in the society we come to know through the media itself. So that is what, so through the media that we hear about many issues related to the working of government and society. Okay, so that is the answer. So answer is what? So the fourth question answer is through the media. Okay, so through the media that we hear about many issues related to the working of government and society. Right children? Now let's take fifth question. In which language Khabar Lahariya newspaper was written? So the answer is Bundeli language. So the fifth question answer is Bundeli. Now let's take sixth question children. Who run the Khabar Lahariya newspaper? So the answer is Dalit women in Chitrakoot district, which is in Uttar Pradesh. So the sixth question answer is Dalit women were in Chitrakoot district. Where is this Chitrakoot district? In UP, means Uttar Pradesh. Now let's take few more questions, children. Now let's take seventh question. To whom the newspaper Khabar Lahariya reaches that was run by a Dalit woman? So the answer is, so it reaches to farmers, shopkeepers, panchayat members and teachers and women. Okay. So the seventh question answer is farmers, shopkeepers, panchayat members, school teachers, and women. Right? Now let's take 8th question, children. Which issues were published in the Khabar Lahariya newspaper? So the answer is Dalit issues, violence against women, and political corruptions. So the 8th question answer is Dalit issues, violence against women, then political corruption. Okay, children. So these are 8 question answers related to these assignments. I hope you are clear with these answers. Thank you so much, children. Have a nice day. Now signing off.